So, Kay, you ready?
Ready? Oh, I guess so.
You done your homework?
My what?
Your homework. You know, your research.
No, I didn't know I had to do any research.
Well, what do you know about potholes?
Well, I know as much as you need to know about potholes. Is that what we're doing then? Potholes?
Yeah. One of our viewers sent me a picture of some potholes.
One of our. How many viewers did we have?
We've had 12.
12. 12 whole viewers.
Yeah, 12.
Why? Why are 12 people watching us talking?
I really can't say. I think it's to do with my celebrity.
Your what?
My celebrity. I think they're mainly my fans.
Well, okay. Have you got fans?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you mean fans?
Yeah.
You sure you don't mean clients?
Clients, fans, it's much the same kind of thing. Anyway, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, right. Welcome to Cedric and Kay's review of Potholes.
Okay, have you got the pictures ready?
Yeah, okay.
We'll put them up then.
I don't know how to put them up, and to be honest, it seemed like quite a bit of a faff. So I thought you could just describe them.
Okay, put it on the computer then. Hold on. Okay, we have a picture of a pothole.
Yep, it's a pothole.
It's unusually square, I have to say.
It is quite square for a pothole.
Because potholes are usually sort of more rounded in the corners.
That is true. I've seen many a pothole and they're usually all rounded.
Are you just repeating what I say?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I don't know what potholes actually are.
So we're doing a review of potholes and you don't know what potholes are?
Well, I don't drive, do I? I don't see what the problem is.
Yeah, you go in cars.
Yeah, I do occasionally, but I pay no attention to the roads. Too busy. Well, let's not talk about what I'm too busy doing when I'm in the car. And I told you not to bring that up, so don't bring that up again.
Are you on the pink gin again?
What of it?
Look, I've told you, you're not very nice when you're on the pink gin.
Look, I don't give a flying fuck what you think. I'm going to do what I want to do. Now let's get back to the fucking potholes. Is that fucking clear?
Yeah, okay. Okay, potholes, yeah. So this pothole, it is quite square.
It is very square.
And it's about 2 inches deep.
I'd say about 2.5 inches deep.
Okay. Yeah, it's a pothole.
Okay. Now, remember, you got to be positive. Okay, your job is to be positive, and then I'm the cynic.
Okay, so what is there to say that's positive about potholes?
Use your fucking imagination. That's what I pay you for.
You don't pay me.
Well, that's what I'm going to pay you for.
You're going to pay me?
No fucking way. Not with a performance like this.
Okay. All right. I'll do my best. I'll humour you. Okay. Yeah. So I think potholes are profoundly misunderstood.
Well, how's that?
Well, if you think about it, a pothole is the place where you notice that the road isn't perfect anymore.
Okay. Where are you going?
Well, that means that how would you notice when the road is perfect all the time? So the potholes, they're just carefully placed there every now and again, just to remind you that these roads, they're flawed because they're man-made. How's that?
Yeah, I suppose so. I mean, it's pretty rubbish, but I think we'll go with it. Okay, so you think potholes are there to show off how brilliant the roads are?
Well, why not? Why not?
Okay, well, my angle is potholes are a menace They're wrecking cars, destroying roads, people are tripping over them, cyclists are flying all over the fucking place, and the councils don't give a fucking damn, and they leave them there for years and years and years, and it's just all a fucking nightmare.
Okay, well, from an optimistic, positive perspective, maybe the problem isn't the potholes.
You what?
Maybe the problem isn't actually the potholes.
Okay, so what's the fucking problem?
Maybe the problem's the cars.
The cars?
Yeah, the cars.
Well, how are they the problem? The roads are there for the cars.
Yeah, but the roads weren't built, and our whole road design was built for cars that weigh about 3/4 of a ton. Whereas nowadays, cars weigh, 2.5 tons. So maybe everyone should just drive smaller cars.
You what? Smaller fucking cars? Smaller fucking cars? Why do you think that?
Well, they're the things that are destroying the roads.
Okay, so your answer is potholes aren't the problem. They're to show us how good the roads are.
Why not?
And the problem is the big cars that weigh too much.
Yeah, I think that is the problem.
Okay, right, well, I think we've wrapped that up then. So, that's our review of potholes.
Yep, that's our review of potholes.
They're not a problem, it turns out, and we should all be very thankful for them. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.